Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make traditional goulash. First, let's gather our key ingredients. You will need about 2 pounds of beef, preferably chuck or round, cut into 1½ inch cubes. Also, prepare 3 large onions, 4 tablespoons of sweet paprika, and 1 teaspoon of caraway seeds. A good quality beef broth and a large, heavy-bottomed pot are also essential for this hearty dish. Next, we build the foundational flavors. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in your pot over medium-high heat. Brown the beef cubes in small batches, ensuring a beautiful, deep crust forms on all sides. Remove the beef, then add the chopped onions to the pot. Sauté them gently for about 10 minutes until they are soft and translucent, releasing their natural sweetness. Stir in the paprika and caraway, cooking for just 1 minute to bloom their aromas. Now for the slow cooking magic. Pour in about 4 cups of beef broth, scraping up all those delicious brown bits from the bottom of the pot. Return the browned beef to the pot, ensuring it is mostly submerged. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat to low, cover, and let it cook slowly. This process takes at least 2 to 3 hours, allowing the meat to become incredibly tender and the flavors to meld beautifully. Finally, it's time to finish and serve your magnificent goulash. Taste the sauce and adjust the seasonings, adding salt and freshly ground black pepper as needed. If you prefer a thicker sauce, you can mix 1 tablespoon of flour or cornstarch with 2 tablespoons of cold water and stir it in, simmering for a few minutes. Serve this comforting dish hot, traditionally alongside egg noodles, boiled potatoes, or crusty bread to soak up every last drop of that rich sauce.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.